Sagittarius, I need to tell you before I even set up this camera, I went to go I went to go light my Palo Santo, and it literally lit like in a huge flame. You know, Palo Santo is really hard to just keep lit. It literally lit all on fire. Okay, I just got a bedtime reminder. Your bedtime is set for 1 a.m. Okay. I'm not sure what that's alluding to, but I think that's a message from my mind. Anyways. Now, if my Palo Santo just burst into flames and it started going, okay, we got 33 on the clock, okay, 33 significant, also 6, not sure, could be 11 past 6 or 33, I don't know, but anyways, so like this, I'm just like, what? And now I just need to freaking tell somebody, I don't know, so maybe this is like really relating to like your energy, maybe like something like happened, maybe you see like a spark, you saw a spark, like a flame, and you just need to tell somebody, I don't know. But like, that's like the energy that I'm getting for you. Oh my god, I love this setup. The three-eyed monster. Also, this painting, I love this painting because it's my ugly painting. I use the background with nature. I made the background with like beat up flowers and stuff. I don't know. It felt good at the time. It felt ancient-ish shit. But anyways. Okay, so this is going to, oh my gosh, I've been ranting. Anyways, what is up with this energy? This is for the Mercury preshadow retrograde. The preshadow Mercury retrograde that's going to be happening on the 14th or 15th, depending on where you are in the world. The preshadow period is going to be starting on the 14th or 15th, and then it is going to go actual retrograde fully on the 29th of May. But what's really cool is that we also have an eclipse that's going to be on the 26th. Wow. But that's a video for another day. We got 2:02 on the clock. I'm not sure what that's alluding to. That's a video for another day is what I'm hearing. All right, now let's get into your energy. Yeah, Mercury's been messing with my phone, so right. There it is. Okay. So if you are new to my channel, I do channeling for the energies. However, I interact with them whenever they come with me, with my spirit guides, just the energies, the frequencies in general, okay? So definitely, if you're watching a dreamlight state, then gulp, then if you, okay, let's clear and ground. If you're watching a dreamlight state, oh my god, 1 second, let me clear and ground. 1 second. I'm getting really hot. I'm not, what is this energy? Sagittarius. I feel like you or somebody else is burning on the astral plane. You or somebody else is definitely burning on the astral plane. I'm not sure, but I'm going to get into it. We're going to figure it out, me and you, okay? Like, that's what I'm hearing. Okay, so let's clear and ground. Let's go. We're going to figure this out. All right. All right, now this one will come out. Okay, tarot. All right, tarot this sweet. Tarot del 12 crepuscula, or tarot del 12 dolce. I'm hearing dolce Gabbana, and also I'm hearing Chanel. I'm not sure what that's alluding to. Okay, anyways, now let's clear and ground. Here we have the King of Swords and Neptune. Interesting. So you could have air You could have air in Neptune here for a number of you in your birth chart. Oh, wow. For a number of you, one second, let me clear ground here for you. I gotta put my hair. It's getting hot. Okay, interesting. I'm hearing, so for a number of you, this could be, okay. I'm hearing somebody say, okay, chill, dude, chill, dude. So I'm hearing somebody say, chill, dude. Okay, now we have the nine of, yeah, chill, dude. Yeah, let's just chill. We're just chilling. Now, and then we have the 9 of Wands here, and meeting the 9, reflecting the 9 of Pentacles. I'm hearing, Austin. Okay, one second. Okay, so somebody here could be paranoid as well, as what I'm feeling as well here. Now we have 9 and 9 here, so I'm feeling that something is coming into fruition, and it's kind of like probably making you a little jumpy actually. Then we have the 3 of, yeah, something is definitely coming along, and you could have like an emotional connection when it comes to this development process. Whatever this is here. Now, for a number of you, you actually could be on a platform here. We have the Hierophant and the 3 of Pentacles. Now, for a number of you, something could be coming into fruition for ya. Definitely, when it comes to you've been working. I'm hearing for a number of you, you've been working on the astral plane with this actually. And working on the astral plane, and it's gonna be reflecting in your bag actually, is what I'm hearing. Very cool. And what I'm seeing too. I know I'm not gassing you up. I'm not sure what that's be popping up in my brain. Okay, so now we have the King of Swords. Why am I so like jittery? Yeah, you could be definitely getting like excited or something, because we have the King of Swords. I'm hearing bossed up is what I heard. Interesting concept. Not bad reading, in my opinions. Not bad, right? Now for a number of you, I'm seeing like a child looking left and right before they cross the street. I'm hearing cross the river actually. River, of course, could be symbolic of emotions, right? You always have to watch in a dreamlight state as well. Now we have the 2 swords, the Fool, and Knight of Cups. Interesting. I'm hearing I'm drowning here with the 2 of Swords. Now, for a number of you, there could be a decision that you want to stay above water with. Okay, it's really interesting. Here, I'm looking at this lady here, and this is decision, but I feel like I'm hearing that your heart's not in it. Interesting. And then we have the Fool here. Now, what I'm getting here is that I'm hearing that you want to keep your mind right. Okay. Now this could be. Now a number of you could be. Second. So for a number of you, I'm hearing a newest edition, spiral bound. I'm not sure what that's alluding to for a number of you. So maybe I'm seeing, because I'm drawn to like seeing how much time that we have, but it's really it doesn't really matter, right? Because I'm just channeling. Now 10. Okay, we had 10, 11, so 111 on the clock. Definitely could want to check out Gemini reading as well. Now, let's get some more cards out here. Now, maybe, I feel like somebody here could be wanting to try to find an answer. Interesting. Okay, I'm not sure what that's alluding to. Yeah, we had the Gemini card actually come out when I said check out Gemini. So Gemini could be confused. I don't know, man. I don't know. A Gemini rules like communication, the phone, you know. I'm hearing actually kiss me through the phone here. Cute. Now, let's clear ground. Yeah, this is definitely regarding a relationship here. Whatever it is. Anyways. Now, second. Okay. Okay. Let me get one more for that, please, Spirit. Thanks, dude. Okay, great. Freak yeah. Alright, great, perfect. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, now we have the 4 cups popping out again to confirm the lovers, and then we have El Carro, Copas, Los Enamorados, Oreos, baby. Now, let's clear and ground here. So, with the 4 cups and the Chariot, I feel like for a number of you, you could just feel like you don't have much space. I'm getting like this energy of you don't have much space. So for a number of you, during this like pre-shadow period, you would want to get like out of the house is what I'm feeling. Pretty much. Yeah, we had low battery 10% when I said that. So maybe you just want to like recharge. We got 12, 40, 46. Maybe I feel like you want to change some stuff up here. Seeing that. I heard somebody say, I can't see you no more. Yeah, we have the moon reflecting the Ace of Pentacles here. So I feel like for a number of you, I'm hearing that everything changes. Everything moves and everything goes and comes except that moon. Except that moon. It's always there. Now where are you? Are you always there? is what I'm hearing. The Ace of Pentacles. Something regarding the moon and manifestation here. Now, for a number of you, it's going to be very nice to link up with the moon is what I'm hearing. And now for a number of you, I'm hearing something about the menstrual cycle, of course, popping up here if you are female watching. And now for a number of you, this is an energy regarding not wanting to see something to help this manifestation. I feel like your emotions need to be confronted. I feel like your emotions right now for you Sagittarius are going to be reflecting in your manifestation, whatever this new beginning is. That's pretty good advice, man. My spirit guides were like, dang, you read that good. Alright. As I see the Five of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and Strength, which is Leo. Look at me. Alright, and then we have the Six of Swords. Yeah, pretty much. Spirit guides are not wrong. And then we have the Temperance, well, not the Temperance, but the Justice card, the Queen of Wands, and the Six of Swords. You know what the Justice card is. That's karma. That's the truth. That's being true to who you are, your emotions, going with your flow, your ebb and flow, your web and flow. You know, if you made a what I'm hearing a flow, a web and flow. So if you are creating something, you are going to be creating something like I said, manifestation, with the connection of your emotions here, and I'm hearing ritualistic acts as well. I'm hearing and also the feeling space of it. I'm hearing music outside. They see me rolling. Alright, so now let's clear and ground. Sorry, I got distracted. Now, what they want is for, I'm hearing that with this manifestation, you know, you're creating a flow, you know, you want to make it a pretty pattern. Speak beautiful stuff into it. You know, like they said, that scientist that said that water holds energy, and water is emotion, right? So, and one of the tests that he did was he froze water and made a little ice cubes, and he split the ice cubes so he could see patterns. And the ones that were spoken beautifully to had pretty patterns, and ones that were spoken negatively to had ugly patterns. Go, girl, go down on the floor. Alright, now, for a number of you, I almost said your Six of Swords. I feel like your spirit guides really, I'm hearing Pisces and Aries here. They really want you to once you kind of feel that, you felt that, didn't you? Yeah. Because we have the Star, the Justice, the Queen of Wands, the Six of Swords right here. Renewed hope.